Configuring CyberScout covered services is a straightforward process that requires some basic information and setup. To get started, you will need to have a CyberScout account and be familiar with the services they offer, including identity theft protection and fraud detection. First, log into your CyberScout account and navigate to the Services section. Here, you will see a list of available services, including credit monitoring, dark web monitoring, and fraud alerts. Review each service and determine which ones you want to activate. Next, configure your credit monitoring service by providing your credit information, including your social security number and date of birth. This will allow CyberScout to monitor your credit reports and alert you to any suspicious activity. Then, set up your dark web monitoring by providing your email address and other personal information. This will enable CyberScout to scan the dark web for any instances of your personal data being bought or sold. After that, configure your fraud alerts by specifying the types of alerts you want to receive and how you want to receive them. For example, you can choose to receive alerts via email or text message. It is also important to customize your notification preferences to ensure you receive alerts in a timely manner. You can choose to receive notifications for specific types of activity, such as credit inquiries or changes to your credit report. Finally, review and confirm your service configurations to ensure everything is set up correctly. It is also a good idea to test your services to ensure they are working as expected. Best practices for configuring CyberScout covered services include regularly reviewing and updating your service configurations, monitoring your accounts and credit reports regularly, and being cautious when providing personal information online. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively configure your CyberScout covered services and protect yourself from identity theft and fraud.